We cut across to breaking news coming in. Privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi that is clearly on the cards, as Rahul Gandhi has been asked to submit a response in Parliament by 5 p.m. today. No response will equal privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi. In fact, a response on the claims that he has made against Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rahul Gandhi needs to submit his response by 5 p.m. Else, the government will move privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi. Let me take this to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, joining us on the broadcast. But before that, several responses coming in. Let's listen in.
ये मेरे पास डेटा है, मैंने कहा कि मैं ऑथेंटिकेट कर दूंगा। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जस्टिस फाइल्स है एप्स्टीन पे, हरदीप पुरी का नाम उसमें है, अनिल अंबानी का नाम उसमें है। अंबानी का केस अदानी का केस चल रहा है, उसमें समन्स आई है। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने 18 महीने के लिए रिप्लाई नहीं दिया है। डायरेक्ट प्रेशर है प्राइम मिनिस्टर पे, वो सब जानते हैं। बट मेन बात ये है, देखिए, बिना प्रेशर कोई हिंदुस्तान का प्राइम मिनिस्टर ये नहीं। जो हुआ है, जो किसानों के साथ हुआ है, डेटा के साथ हुआ है, डिफेंस के साथ हुआ है, एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी के साथ हुआ है, कोई प्रधानमंत्री नहीं कर सकता है। नॉर्मल सिचुएशन वो जब ही करेगा जब किसी ने मतलब चोक लगा रखा है, ग्रिप ले रखी है और चोक लगा रखा है।
And my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal now with us on the broadcast. Aishwarya, Rahul Gandhi has made huge claims. He's saying he has evidence to back it. What is the likely chance that he will submit a response by 5 p.m? If not, what is the step to be taken against him?
Well, one of the things that the government at the moment, Suresha, is speaking about is the fact that they want Rahul Gandhi to actually authenticate everything that he has been saying on the floor of the parliament, especially with regards to the Epstein files and the kind of comments that he's been making against Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Hardeep Puri. If that is something that Rahul Gandhi fails to do, then we will see the government moving a privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi. See, as an MP, whatever you say on the floor of the parliament, it has to be authenticated and it has to be true. The government now believes that a lot of things have been said over the past few days by Rahul Gandhi, by other MPs of the Congress party. None of those things can actually be authenticated. So with regards to that, the government is now looking at a response, and they are saying that Rahul Gandhi should, on the floor of the House, authenticate everything that he has said, or if he is not coming on the floor of the House, should at least give a report, and through that report authenticate all those comments that he's made. If not that, then we will see. There is a high possibility that the government will be moving a privilege motion against Rahul Gandhi.
And 5 p.m. is the deadline that has been set so far. So Aishwarya, really to understand on that front, because Rahul Gandhi in the past has used the term of hydrogen bomb. Now he says that he has documents when it comes to the names involved and the sort of allegations he's made against Hardeep Singh Puri, against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The BJP is clearly not going to take this lying down. Aishwarya?
Well, definitely. We have seen how Rahul Gandhi time and again, in fact, not just Rahul Gandhi, even Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, when she came out, she said that they have proof of everything that Rahul Gandhi has been saying. In fact, if you remember the first day when Rahul Gandhi spoke about the book, the second day, he said that there is an article in Caravan magazine. But what exactly that article says and what are the documents that he has, all those things are something that he will now have to give out details of, especially when we speak about the kind of comments that Rahul Gandhi has been making with regards to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with regards to Hardeep Puri, the Epstein file, and the connection that Rahul Gandhi and the entire Congress party time and again has been making. The government now wants him to authenticate those details.
Aishwarya, do stay on. Let's once again listen into that statement by Rahul Gandhi on what he said about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Adani, Ambani, and the connection to the Epstein files.
मैंने कहा कि मैं ऑथेंटिकेट कर दूंगा। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जस्टिस फाइल्स है एप्स्टीन पे, हरदीप पुरी का नाम उसमें है, अनिल अंबानी का नाम उसमें है। अंबानी का केस अदानी का केस चल रहा है, उसमें समन्स आई है। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने 18 महीने के लिए रिप्लाई नहीं दिया है। डायरेक्ट प्रेशर है प्राइम मिनिस्टर पे, वो सब जानते हैं। बट मेन बात ये है, देखिए, बिना प्रेशर कोई हिंदुस्तान का प्राइम मिनिस्टर ये नहीं। जो हुआ है, जो किसानों के साथ हुआ है, डेटा के साथ हुआ है, डिफेंस के साथ हुआ है, एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी के साथ हुआ है, कोई प्रधानमंत्री नहीं कर सकता है। नॉर्मल सिचुएशन वो जब ही करेगा जब किसी ने मतलब चोक लगा रखा है, ग्रिप ले रखी है और चोक लगा रखा है।